Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video. I hope you all are doing well. This video is about the kurta sets. You can wear it for the festivals as the festive seasons are starting. These kurtas are not only meant for the festivals. You can also wear it for the functions like marriage. You can wear it for the marriage where you are the guest. You can wear it for the temples. You can wear it for some small functions like a birthday party, baby shower, or anything. You can wear it anywhere. It is. It looks very simple and also at the same time it looks elegant. So you can wear it as ever you wish. So let's begin the video. The first kurta is from the brand Ishin. This is a turquoise blue embroidered kurta with trousers and dupatta. There is a motif embroidered with the mirror work detail. The length of the kurta is calf length and also it has a round neck and 3/4 regular sleeves. The material of this kurta is a silk blend. You can see that there is a embroidered work done near the neck and also at the bottom of the kurta and also on the dupatta. The material of the pant is also silk blend. It is a solid trouser with a elasticated waistband. It is of same color as the kurta and dupatta. The material of the dupatta is the organs. The mirror work is also done on the dupatta, so it looks very pretty. This is a very beautiful kurta. You can wear it for the festivals or any parties. Let's go to the next kurta. This kurta is from the brand Libas. This is a pink floral embroidered chikankari kurta with the trouser and also with the dupatta. It is a anarkali kurta set. The neck is round and also it has a long sleeves. There is a chikankari detail on the kurta. The length of the kurta is cuff length and the material of the kurta is georgette material. It is paired with a solid chudidar, same color as of the kurta and dupatta. It has elastic waistband. This kurta is very beautiful because it has chicken curry work detail done all over the kurta. So it looks very beautiful for like any functions and also for any parties. It is simple at the time. It is very beautiful. So this kurta is a very good option for any occasion. You can wear it with dupatta or also without dupatta. Both looks very beautiful. Now let's move on to the next kurta. This kurta is from the brand Varanga. And this is a magenta pink printed kurta with trousers and dupatta. This is a straight shaped kurta. The length of the kurta is cuff length. It is a sleeveless kurta with the shoulder straps. It has polka dots printed all over the kurta and also on the trousers. The material of the kurta is a silk blend. The bottom has elastic waistband with same polka dot design. The material of the dupatta is chiffon and also there is a lace given to that dupatta, so it looks very beautiful. I purchased this kurta because of the dupatta only. The dupatta is very beautiful. It adds a touch to the kurta set. Also, I wanted to mention one point. Because of the polka dots design, this kurta is very bit irritating on the skin. So, if you have any skin problems, please avoid this kurta. If you can manage by wearing any inners, you can buy it. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you all like these kurta sets. If you want, you can buy any of these kurta. I'll give the links in the description box below. As I say in my all videos, please buy only if you need, don't buy unnecessarily. See you in the next video. Bye.